This is how to set the clock on your Vauxhall Vivaro, Trafic or Nissan Primastar, or older version of Astras, even Cavaliers and Vectras and all sorts of things. As long as it's got this set up with the two buttons, it should work for all of them. So we're going to start with the clock button on the top, press and hold. The date's the same for today, so it's just literally press the bottom button to change it. And then up to the top, and then as you can see it works for all the digits. You're just turning it round. So we're going from 12 to 11 and 34, it's same again. And you can press and hold and it'll do it itself. And then when you get round to where you need to be, just release the button, cycle the ignition, or press it again, and that's it. It's done, it's set. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.